In this video, I'm going to talk about these types of things, and maybe you ask, oh, what are these kinds of things? And this is exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. We are going to talk about zero padding a number and also other stuff that you will see in this video. So please just stay tuned. So first of all, let's talk about what do I mean by zero padding a number. As you can see, we have defined a variable named num, number, and this is a number. And when I say we want to zero pad a number, it means that, for example, suppose that we want to have 4 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to have 4 characters. So our number is 14. So we put it here. So 14. It occupies 2 of those characters. And then we're going to zero pad the rest. We're going to fill the rest with 0. And I'm sure that you have seen numbers like this: 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, and so on, 10, 11, 12, and so on. So these numbers are zero padded. So the question is, how can we do so in Python? It's very easy. We can simply print, and let's use an F string. So we want to print that number, and then we put a colon, and after this colon we need to specify the format in which we want to print that num, that number. And for example, for saying that we want to have 4 characters but we want to zero pad it, here we should type 04. It means that we want to have 4 characters and also we want to zero pad it. But here is a question. Maybe you ask, okay, what if we have a number that has more than 4 characters? In that case, it is not going to zero pad it, and also it is not going to limit that number to 4 characters. So if I run the code, as you can see, it is not going to limit the number to only 4 characters. And it's very obvious that it is far more than 4 characters, so it is not going to zero pad it. But now let's take another example, which is a little bit more complicated. As you can see here, we have a number. And for example, suppose that here, after this colon, I need to specify the format. So suppose that here I type, for example, dot to F. It means that I want to print that number with 2 fixed decimal places. What do I mean by fixed decimal places? It means that even if our number is an integer, in that case it is going to have 2 fixed decimal places. So that's the meaning of fixed decimal places. It means that no matter what, we're going to have 2 decimal places. So here, if I run the code, as you can see, it is going to print that like this, 3.14. But now let's suppose that we want we want to zero pad it. For example, we want to have 08. It means that we want to have 8 characters and you need to zero pad it. So, as you can see, this thing has 4 characters, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, here, when we want to zero pad it and we want to have 8 characters, because this has already 4 characters, we need to add 4 other zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you can see, we have zero padded this number. So if I run a code, you can see we get the same result as I've typed here. And here are 2 videos which I suggest you to watch as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.